Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan from CellPro Repair Solutions here. Today I'm doing a little tutorial on this S20. Had a customer that came in, I did the screen replacement for them, and as of right now I gotta transfer these buttons over as well, so figured I'd just do a quick video. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like, or give it a thumbs up, or both. Anyways, here we go. So this is the volume, the button that doesn't work, and the on-off button. This guy's pretty sticky, so I guess there's probably some sort of gunk in there or something like that. So I'll kind of tell you guys what to do, and I'll walk through it depending on your situation. Alright, so with this guy I found the best way to proceed actually is, you might be able to see it, but just where the tip of this is, just right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, just right there. That's the best place to kind of sharpen your tool up and sort of get it in there, and then just pop that bad boy out like that. Alright, there's two pieces. There's this piece here, and then there's this piece. Alright, so if you press on these, if you end up being able to press on this like that, and you can sort of hear you can feel the button actually press, then this is still good, and this part is going to be reused. This part obviously is fine, it has no function anyways other than keeping pressure on there. Anyways, let's pop these guys out. Oh yeah, you can hear sort of the crunchiness of that. There's definitely something in there that was making it really sticky. This guy's a little bit trickier actually because it's harder to get in. Let's see if I got any other tools that might be better for this. Maybe put a bit of a bend, or find a tool with a bit of a bend on it. Damn, this one's tricky. A bit of a tricky Ricky. Alright, let's see this tool here. No, that's not any better either. Okay, well, I'll show you what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tool, some vice grips that I have, or not vice grips, but needle nose pliers, and I'm just going to modify this bad boy a little bit. I want to take it from that way, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this, bend that a little bit. There we go. So I think that's all I'm going to need, and I'm going to basically just hook that guy. I'm going to need to hook it again. Okay, so there we go. So that's a nice hook. Let's get it back in there. And there we go. So that's what you get. Put a nice hook in it, just sort of like that, and that'll do it. No. Straighten that guy back out. Grab this guy. Pull it out. Alright, so now you're just going to clean this guy up a little bit. Like so. Probably use a cloth, depending on how bad it is, obviously. Slide that puppy back in there. Same with this bad boy. Those guys are in place. In place and working. You might want to just kind of move it around a little bit, make sure it's all good. Make sure it's not sticking. Then you're gonna put this guy back in. See this little bit here again? It has a little spot or a little lip it goes into. This one goes in. These lips are gonna be up. But actually, yep, it goes this way and then slips behind the other one, because obviously if it's in front, the buttons can't be pressed. and then you kind of just press this guy down. Like so. There we go. And that button is, listen to that. Listen to that click. That's nice. Cool. Alright guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much.